Good morning.
Hey, I'm David.
And I'm Carol.
And we are
Loving
the real world. We're here today at ZF, looking at some old cars and getting back out and about.
I'm boot free.
Yeah. So let's go see what we can see. We start the show in the parking lot with this Hellcat.
It's got two red keys and one black one.
The red means we fixing to fly, baby.
In 1967, you could buy a Firebird Coupe for $2,666. But if you added the Firebird 400 package like this one, it was another $274. But I bet this young man has a lot more in it than that. It's got everything. That is a beautiful car.
Thank you. Put a lot of work into this one.
I bet so. How long have you had it?
About 5 years now.
5 years?
Rebuilt it from the ground up.
$1967 Firebird 400. This is a 1955 Chevrolet 3100. I had one that had the spare tire right here, so it was cut out right here. You put your spare tire right here. I always wanted one where I have one on both sides.
Wow.
I never did get around putting the wooden bed into it. Beautiful. This next truck looks to be a 1957 light-duty panel truck. Don't see any information on this truck on the outside or anything, but it is beautiful. These wood floors look great with the fire extinguisher just in case. Plus this beautiful paint job, and the interior has been totally redone. With a bench seat, wooden steering wheel, a great shifter there, and the engine, to me, I might be wrong, but it does not quite look stock. I'm very partial to these 55, 56, and 57 pickup trucks.
There's 2 days
I guess we just got here too early. No information on this car either. It looks to be a 1970 Mustang Coupe, packed with a Ford Performance engine, painted in grabber blue with black stripes. And you gotta love that little spoiler on the rear. If you wanted a fast car in 71, this would probably be it. If you didn't have the money for a SS, a heavy Chevy was the answer to your prayers.
Looking right here, also smooth as ride the car. Power steering is one thing. I drove one time. I said, you know, I have to run across one of these things that I had to deal. Of course, that was a years ago.
Yeah.
And it was old and had old tires on it, but it still drove like a new car.
55 Bel Air, red and white, with matching interior. The wood grain steering wheel may be a little off on this one, but I guarantee when this car was brand new, it never did look this good. And I know for a fact it didn't have that much chrome underneath the hood. Okay, here I go guessing again. This looks like it is a 1955 F100 Ford-O-Matic, which meant it came with an automatic transmission and also probably had tubeless tires. But this one here looks like it's been modified. And what's so weird about it, it's got a 4-speed. See how this is cut up? Yeah, that's where the spare tire goes. This Corvette's got a little blue bow tie on it. This looks to be a 64.5 Mustang. I'm not really positive, but it may be a 65. I like the little Mustang pill in the back, and I can't see if it has a generator or alternator light. 64.5 had the generator light. 65 had the alternator light on the dash. No lid. Alfa Romero. Needs some still wool on there. Is this a Ford Lightning? Yep. This was the fastest production truck when it was built. No, go Friday.
Get out, baby.
Look at the belt diagram on this one.
He's about somewhere. He's right in the middle. Go see.
Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Is
It's Factory 5.
Factory 5?
Yeah.
I guess right. It's amazing.
Good job.
What kind of motor?
302.
302?
It's not a very tidy motor, but it's fuely and it gets me along the road, starts every time, and I did step up the cam, so it splits the pistons nicely apart.
How many scars you got on the back of your leg?
Ooh, I got the one, and that was the only one I wanted. Snake bit, because I'm not even paying attention, but you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
It's good fun. That's actually one of the protocols is for the passenger. Don't burn your leg.
Yeah, yeah. So, you worried about today?
No, this is a driver.
So you don't.
I actually have a tonneau.
Oh, really?
I had a buddy who makes these.
I introduced you your back.
Oh, wow. What a trunk. That's awesome. That is awesome.
Whatever it is.
But it's
It just lays over the top
just
of it?
lays over the top.
That's awesome.
I mean, it just
She's at the age where she does nothing.
And it matches the stripes and everything. I love it. Got the little steering wheel.
That's right, yeah.
It spins over the steering wheel. And that's probably the only thing you really have to worry about is steering wheel getting wet, huh?
That's right. That's right. I'm gonna put this away. I don't want to encourage rain.
Absolutely. Isn't that so funny? At least Kia tried.
Yeah, that's a factory.
No, I don't think that's factory, no. Packer Clipper. I don't know if I've ever heard of one. Don the Digger Hotel. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Packer Thunderbolt. Straight 8. Don Odell and Packer sets 200-mile stock car record. Well, I gotta look at this record first.
No, that's me. I don't give a crap. If you don't sleep in my bed, pay my
Shit,
bill.
2.
That's exactly right.
I like the firewall.
Yes.
I got some tags that they could use for probably floor pans and everything else. 1943 Dodge truck. I don't know how much of the 43 Dodge trucks left.
What do you think about them changing the name of Fort Bragg?
That just fight. I'll never
Look at the door panel over
I
there.
know, and it's back
It was
behind.
all fucking politics. You know, I'm like, you know what? All these years.
Huh?
I'm
Oh,
a brag baby.
a squirrel on the horn. Everywhere you look, there's something. And the light bars are eagles.
Oh,
I left 54 and this morning drove down here.
No, right. So did you go up to the rod run?
Went up Wednesday, come back this morning.
Right.
I left about 7 o'clock.
I bet it was crowded. It's always crowded.
I sat in the driveway at 9:30.
Oh my goodness. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful.
Yeah, I drive.
John Hyde. Why does that name sound familiar?
I've been around a long time.
Yeah. Did you know Emmanuel Williams? He used to have a little appliance store over on Atlanta Highway.
Yeah,
That was my dad.
was it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Brenda. You know Manuel Williams?
Manuel Williams was my.
That's some of your kinfolk right there.
That's why I saw the name John Hyde, and I'm sitting here going, this name rings a bell to me.
Yeah, was his wife named Dot?
Yeah, Dorothy. Yeah. That was my mom and dad.
Oh, that's my cousin.
Really?
I was a Garrett.
Oh, really?
David Garrett.
Yeah.
Dot.
Yeah. That's
So
amazing.
you're David?
I'm David.
Yeah. And there was another boy too.
Mike.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
So
amazing.
you met your kinfolk.
I tell you, you never know who you're gonna run into. You better behave yourself, huh?
Just by asking I was over the Williams.
Yeah, he used to own that little appliance store on Atlanta Highway.
Yeah.
I used to go there all the time to get my appliances from him.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Nice seeing y'all. Isn't that crazy? When I saw the name, I'm going, Sure do, don't they? The little Coca-Cola thing in the back. Have to get the picture of the. They got a 4 Fairlane over here. Galaxy, I mean. That's Fairlane. That's Bridal Falls there.
It sure is.
What do you have with it?
2016. I would be afraid I would hit a speed bump or something. It's pretty. It's got some shine juice on it. It's been wet sanded all the way down to the front of it.
It is gorgeous.
Beautiful. Inside and out. Big old wide.
Yeah.
Carol's wearing one of our I Am Loving the Real World t-shirts. And we're just trying to come up with ideas. Tell me if you would be interested in something like this. We're looking for ways to help support the channel.
Okay, I'm confused about what the straight up chain is. They got copper pipe for cup holders in here. You need a toolbox on top of your Volkswagen for sure. You never know when you might need to drop the motor and work on it. Got pull straps. Oh, this thing's prepared. LED lights. Amazing. This yours?
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
You take it camping?
No, probably like fall.
Yeah.
We'll start because we've got all the bugs worked out of it and everything. So, you know, we love it.
That's what year is that?
71.
71. I was gonna say 70, but that's pretty.
Are you from this area?
Yeah, I live right here in Gainesville.
Okay. Did you ever go down to Crow Park?
Crow Park. Where's Crow Park?
Jim Crow Road?
Off of Jim? Yes, I have been down there.
Okay,
Yes.
well, when I was a little girl, this thing sat in the weeds down there on the left-hand side at Jim, when you're going down to the lake on the left-hand side.
And y'all pulled it out and
No,
saved
somebody
it?
else pulled it out. Robert never would go down there because they said the man was crazy. And they sold the house on the lake, so a friend of mine that had been putting his boat in down there for years finally talked him out of it. And he had it for about a month, and we went down to Temple, Georgia, and bought it from him.
Oh my goodness.
Brought it back up here.
Oh my goodness. 454. So American racing wheels on it. Her shifter. Yeah, this would be a good starter car for me, baby. We'll go right along with Stripes there. How long have you had it, buddy?
About 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah, a little bit.
I bet that's fun.
Yeah. It putt-putts around.
It won't hardly run, I noticed, when it came through the parking lot. It had that,
It's got a real bad vacuum leak.
yeah, something there. It's amazing how far they came along. It really is. From a little Falcon to something that you can't keep tires on.
That's very true.
Y'all take care.
Yes, sir, you too.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this session of Loving the Real World when we got out and about to a little car show in Gainesville, Georgia. So if you would, click that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and leave some comments if you like what you see. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.